Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best consoles available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Xbox One X 1TB console. The Xbox One X 1TB console, Tom Clancy's The Division 2 bundle, is the best console for you if you want to play games in full 4K while competing on the most dependable gaming network. To begin with, the Tom Clancy's The Division bundle offers an intriguing plot that will not only keep you interested but also have you making decisions about the future of freedom as you direct an elite squad of agents to save a nation on the verge of collapse. The console features a great library of games and more than 200 incredible exclusives for your gaming enjoyment, in addition to its captivating plot that draws you in. A 1-month Xbox Game Pass trial, a 1-month subscription, and 40% more power than any other console are also included with the Xbox One X 1TB console, Tom Clancy's The Division 2 bundle. It is reasonable to say that there has never been a better moment for gamers to purchase the Xbox One X with deals like those. At number 2 is the PlayStation 4 Pro 1TB console. You already know you're going to have fun with the PlayStation 4 Pro 1TB console because of how well known its name is. People's faces and rounded corners in games appear more natural and smooth, thanks to the anti-aliasing design. Modern visual effects give normally overlooked elements like steam or smoke a more realistic sensation and a heavier appearance. Sharper shadows can be produced by the PlayStation 4 Pro 1TB console in order to provide crisper details, even at a considerable distance. Additionally, it uses cutting-edge resolution techniques to boost the game's resolution, a feature for which it has won praise. Additionally, this console is claimed to be more powerful than the original PS4, allowing it to load games quicker and more effectively than its predecessor. This is really commendable considering how far ahead of its time the first OS4 was. At number 3 on our list is the Nintendo Switch with Neon Blue and Neon Red. You can play conveniently at home or while you're on the go with the Nintendo Switch, Neon Red and Neon Blue Joy-Con. Normally, you can play with your friends and family on your TV or personal system, or you can undock the gaming console and switch right away to handheld mode without losing any of your game progress. The Neon Red and Neon Blue Nintendo Switch, in order to support multiplayer gaming, the Joy-Con console also includes 2 controllers, one of which is Neon Blue and the other of which is Neon Red. Additionally, you'll never have to worry about becoming bored again because to the wide and varied selection of games available. Games like Doom, Skyrim, LA Noire, and countless others are easily accessible. Additionally, it includes exclusives like Super Mario Odyssey, which has delighted all of the original gamers. Moving up at number 4 is the Xbox One S 1TB console Battlefield V bundle. One of the most popular consoles now on the market is the Xbox One S 1TB console, Battlefield V bundle. This game has over 200 exclusive titles, like many other choices on the list, but it also has over 1,300 games and more than 400 Xbox 360 and original Xbox classics. The Xbox One S 1TB console, Battlefield V bundle, is a success at letting parents manage how much gaming their children engage in because it includes family settings that let the user decide how much screen time, privacy, and material each member of the family is allowed to access. Battlefield V Deluxe Edition, Battlefield 1943, Battlefield 1 Revolution, and other Battlefield games are included as full game downloads as well. The storyline and visuals of the Battlefield video games have received accolades. At number 5 is the PlayStation 4 Slim 1TB console. One of the most sought-after gaming consoles on the market right now is the updated console that was released on July 13, 2018. You may keep your games, TV, music, photos, and other media items on its outstanding hard drive without worrying about your computer's performance being slowed down. The slender and elegant appearance of the PlayStation 4 Slim 1TB console has drawn praise, and is regarded as one of its standout features. In addition, the system has access to a sizable selection of PlayStation and Xbox One titles. Additionally, the PlayStation VR, an accessible but high-quality VR headset, is accessible with the PlayStation 4 Slim 1TB console. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.